And welcome back, everyone. You know, WSAV is a two-state TV station. Yes. So both governors from Georgia and South Carolina, Brian Kemp, of course, and Henry McMaster, already issued that state of emergency. So for South Carolina, it really extends from last week. Right. And as we continue to watch this situation with the wintry weather, I know a lot of people are excited, yes. Scott.
Yeah, a lot of people, and it's a good thing it's coming in on the weekend. It is going to impact travel across our region and across the Southeast as a whole, but at least it is coming in on the weekend with some snow starting for our Saturday. There's the view right now. Clouds are starting to roll in. The area of low pressure that we have been tracking starting to organize for us. As far as temperatures today, not too bad. 57 degrees right now. It will be cold for tonight going into our Saturday morning, starting out just above freezing for many of us. A few showers are possible after daybreak, if not even during the overnight hours, and then it's around lunchtime and into the afternoon and evening hours when we will see rain showers switch over to some snow across our area. So for that reason, we will be weather alert. So that's an upgrade from our weather aware. So high temperatures will be in the upper 30s early in the day, maybe lower 40s for a few spots, but then dropping off already into the 20s, possibly by 7 o'clock. So any snow that is falling in your neighborhood will be sticking. So rain showers begin Saturday morning, and then the snow begins midday. And there is the potential for some of us to have some heavy snow, especially in the northern parts of our area, where we could see totals 1 to 4 inches, with certainly more snow heading into the Midlands of South Carolina, even up into Charleston and northward could see more snow. But then as that system clears out, the story then becomes bitterly cold conditions on Sunday. Wind chill values will be between 0 and about 10 degrees. It's not out of the question to have a few spots in negative territory. So as far as an update from yesterday and even earlier this morning, the Weather Service now issuing winter storm warnings for areas along and North Interstate 16. So that does include the Lowcountry, south of 16, including Chatham County. We are under a winter weather advisory where we have the warning. Snowfall accumulation is more likely. South of 16, it's possible, just not as likely to have an impactful snow in your area. So we are beginning to see that area of low pressure forming. The cold air is starting to filter in, and we will get another reinforcing shot of that Arctic air going into our Sunday. So hour by hour Vipercast shows us that we do have the potential for a few showers through this evening hour, throughout this evening, and then going overnight, a few more showers are possible around 9 and 10 o'clock. And then as those temperatures start to drop off, that's when we will begin to see that switch over to snow 1 and 2 o'clock, certainly in the northern parts of our area, becoming a little bit more widespread throughout the afternoon. And that will continue into the evening hours. And we could get some banding in here where we could see a little bit more in the way of intense snow. And there we go. Those temperatures well down into the 20s by 8 and 9 o'clock. And even by midnight, the Lowcountry could still be dealing with some of those showers. Same thing for coastal Chatham County. And then as we head into the morning hours on Sunday, it will be mainly dry and very cold. Greatest snowfall amounts will be further to the north, but generally in our area north of 16, 1 to 2 inches, not out of the question. Just a few isolated spots in the far north could end up with slightly higher amounts, but it's going to be a very dry snowfall, so it will add up rather quickly with this event. So we have a 20-to-1 ratio. That's typically what you see out west. So it's going to be that really light, powdery kind of snow compared to the wet, soupy, heavier snow that we typically see in the southeast. We also do have an extreme cold watch in place because of those wind chill values in the single digits for the entire region. Our Vipercast model is indicating that those single digits will be with us first thing, and perhaps warming up to around 10 to 15 degrees for those wind chill values going into the mid-morning hours. So this is the kind of cold that will be dangerous, so make sure you do protect the 4 Ps and only go outside, especially on Sunday, if you absolutely need to. It might be fun to play in the snow, but limit your activities. Certainly make sure you have the extra coat for the kids, the gloves, and the hats. So weather alert for Saturday and Sunday. Saturday because of that rain switching over to snow, and then Sunday because of those extremely cold conditions by our standards in the southeast. We'll have another update on the weather forecast coming up. Tina?